Health insurance in the U.S. How to choose the right plan without going broke. Did you know that just a few hours in an American hospital can cost you over $10,000 if you're uninsured? And even if you do have insurance, choosing the wrong plan could still leave you drowning in medical debt. So, how you pick the right one? This video will explain everything you need to know in plain English, no jargon, no confusion. 1. Why health insurance in the U.S. is absolutely necessary. The U.S. has one of the most expensive healthcare systems in the world. A trip to the ER can cost between $2,000 and $15,000, and that's without any surgeries or overnight stays. Even if you're young and healthy, one injury, illness, or medical emergency can cost you months or years of income. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act, ACA, also known as Obamacare, has pushed for all legal residents to get insurance. While some states no longer legally require it, hospitals will send you the full bill if you're uninsured, and that bill won't be cheap. 2. The 4 main ways to get health insurance. A. Through your employer. If you're working and your company offers insurance, this is usually your cheapest and best option. Most employers cover 50 to 80% of your monthly premium, and you pay the rest. B. Marketplace plans, healthcare.gov. If your job doesn't offer coverage, you can shop for plans on the government's health insurance marketplace. Depending on your income, you might qualify for federal subsidies to lower your cost. C. Government programs, Medicare and Medicaid. Medicare is for people 65 plus or with certain disabilities. Medicaid is for low-income individuals and families. Eligibility depends on your income and state. Many new immigrants may qualify, especially if their income is limited. D. Private insurance. These plans are more flexible, but typically more expensive. Watch out for high deductibles, limited networks, and possible exclusions for pre-existing conditions. 3. Key terms you must understand. These 5 terms will make or break your health insurance experience. Premium, what you pay monthly to keep your insurance active, like rent for your coverage. Deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket each year before your insurance kicks in. Copay, a fixed fee for each doctor visit, e.g., $30 per visit. Coinsurance, a percentage of costs you share with the insurance company, e.g., 80/20ths. Out-of-pocket maximum, the most you'll ever have to pay in 1 year. After hitting this, insurance pays 100%. Example, your deductible is $1,500. You go to the ER and your bill is $10,000. You pay $1,500 first. Insurance covers 80% of the remaining $8,500, and you pay 20%, $1,700. Total out of pocket, $3,200 instead of $10,000. 4. Types of plans, HMO, PPO, EPO, HDHP. HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. Cheaper, but you must use in-network doctors. Requires referrals to see specialists. Best for people who want lower costs and have predictable health needs. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. More expensive but offers flexibility. No referrals needed. You can go outside the network, but it'll cost more. Ideal for those with chronic conditions or specific doctors. EPO, Exclusive Provider Organization. Like a hybrid of HMO and PPO. No referrals needed, but only in-network care is covered. HDHP, High Deductible Health Plan. Lower premiums, higher deductibles, often over $1,600. Eligible for an HSA health savings account. Lets you save money tax-free for healthcare expenses. Great for healthy individuals or those who rarely use medical care. 5. Smart tips for choosing the right plan. Look at total annual costs, not just monthly premiums. Consider your health history. Do you need specialists? Choose a plan with a manageable out-of-pocket max. If you have kids or a family, make sure dependents are included. Check if your preferred doctors and clinics are in-network. If your income is low, explore subsidies or Medicaid eligibility. 6. Common mistakes newcomers make. Skipping insurance entirely because you're healthy. One ambulance ride can cost $2,000 or more. Accidents happen, even to healthy people. Choosing the cheapest plan without reading the deductible. Some low-premium plans come with deductibles over $9,000, meaning you'll pay nearly everything out of pocket unless disaster strikes. Not understanding how your plan works. If you go to the wrong doctor, misrefer requirements, or use an out-of-network provider, your insurance may refuse to pay. 7. Final thoughts. Your health equals your wealth. In the U.S., health insurance isn't just an option. It's a financial safety net. Without it, one medical emergency can wipe out your savings. But choosing the wrong plan can also leave you stuck with bills you thought insurance would cover. So take the time to learn, compare, and choose what's right for you. It's not just about health. It's about peace of mind. In the next video, we'll walk through how to apply for insurance on healthcare.gov step by step, with screen sharing and tips to get the best plan for your budget. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Got questions? Ask in the comments. We answer every single one.